when you are acting as a developer or a tester, you want to create different test environment with different versions of WP or PHP, including beta versions. And you may want to use version controls like Git to automate your CI/CD. And then you may want to use your favorite visual code editor to do a remote coding or remote developer environment. So let's see how that works. All right. So in the develop side, I'm just going to show you the dev stack which I have already configured. So the WordPress version and the PHP version is the latest, and the PHP values can be kept default. And here I have ticked WP debug, and I have installed some of the most popular plugins I got in the response to my tweet about installing Query Monitor, Beta Tester, WP Reset, all those things. So these plugins help you a lot. So let's go ahead and create a new site. And to create a new site, you don't need to choose WordPress version, PHP version at all. Just go ahead and choose the dev stack which you just created. So it will automatically populate the WordPress and PHP version, and boom, so you have a new site ready for you to use it.